Today, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Salesforce, making your interface easier on the eyes, especially during those late-night work sessions. Salesforce, as you may know, is a powerful tool for managing customer relationships, but spending long hours staring at a bright screen can be quite taxing. Dark mode can help reduce eye strain and give your Salesforce interface a sleek, modern look. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Chrome Web Store or, if you're not using Chrome, your browser's extension marketplace. This is where you can find a variety of extensions that can change the appearance of websites, including Salesforce. If you're using a different browser, the process is very similar. You just need to navigate to the equivalent extension or add-on marketplace. Once you're there, use the search bar to find an extension that suits your needs. You can search for Salesforce Dark Theme or Dark Reader. Both of these options are popular choices among users looking to enable dark mode across different websites, including Salesforce. They work by altering the color scheme of web pages, making whites and bright colors darker and less harsh on your eyes. After you've found the extension you prefer, click on the Add to Chrome button. If you're using a different browser, look for a similar button, such as Add to Firefox or Add to Edge, depending on your browser. It's important to make sure that the extension is from a reputable source and has good user reviews. This ensures that you're not only getting a quality product, but also keeping your data safe. The next step is to open Salesforce. Once you're logged into your Salesforce account, look towards the toolbar at the top of your browser. Here, you'll see an icon for the newly installed extension. If you're using Dark Reader, this will be a small moon icon. For Salesforce Dark Theme, it might look slightly different. Click on this icon to activate the dark theme. Toggling the dark theme is straightforward. Simply click the extension icon, and you'll see an option to turn the dark mode on or off. This feature is particularly handy because it allows you to easily switch back to the regular light mode if you ever need to. You might want to do this during daytime hours or when working in a well-lit environment. And there you have it. Enabling dark mode in Salesforce using a browser extension is a quick and simple process that can make a big difference in your daily workflow. Not only does it help reduce eye strain, but it also gives your Salesforce interface a modern and personalized look. Plus, with the ability to toggle the dark theme on or off, you can adjust your viewing experience to suit your comfort level at any time. Remember, while dark mode can be a great tool, it's important to take regular breaks from screen time to maintain overall eye health. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you enjoy the new look of your Salesforce interface. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to check out more of our videos for other helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy Salesforcing.